Hi everyone, I'm so happy to see you. I want you to have a happy holiday, and today we're going to learn how to draw a snow globe. A snow globe is when you take a moment in time and you put it right into that snow globe, and it becomes a moment in time and a special little environment that's going on in there. We're going to do something like this. I'm going to do a snowman and a tree, a Christmas tree. You can do anything you want inside your snow globe. So you may want to put something else besides the snowman, or you might want to give him a different hat. You might want to put Christmas ornaments, or you might want to just have the natural tree outside. Or you might want to put a little puppy in there. It's pretty much your choice. You're the artist. And I don't want you to worry about it being perfect. It's all about having fun, and every time you practice you get better and better. Okay, so what we want to get started here is an eraser and a pencil and a sharpener. Okay? I would also like us to have something to color with afterwards. It could be crayons or colored pencils. Okay? All right. Now you can outline everything with either your black colored pencil or your black crayon, or if you have a marker you can use that to outline with. Also, very important, you need either a plate or a cup or a bowl. The problem with a cup, it might be a tiny little circle. We want the circle to be as big as it can be on your paper. That way you'll have a lot more room to be able to put something into your snow globe. Okay, so let's start out by drawing our circle. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is give our snow globe a base. So if you figure out where the middle is and go over about the same distance on either side, and I like to make it kind of angled like this. Okay. And then I'm going to round off the bottom, so like that. Now you can decorate this base any way you like. You can decorate it with stripes. Maybe you would like to put leaves on it, like holly. So you can put anything in there you want. Or maybe you just like the stripe base. Okay. Now we're ready to put our scene inside of our globe. We've got a lot of nice room. I'm going to start with my snow, and you want to keep your snow kind of at the bottom, right? You don't want to have it up too high, because if you have it up too high, then you'll have less room for your scene. Okay, I am now going to draw my snowman. I'm going to show you with pencil. Start out by drawing 3 circles. Snowmen don't have to be perfect, and I like to make it slightly get smaller as it goes up to the head. Okay, you can then, now I'm going to do this so you can see it really well. So you would erase this part down here that's in the snow, and oops, that wasn't perfect. I'm not worried about it. Okay, and then finally the head. Okay, the next thing is some sort of hat. You can do a top hat, or you can do a a hat like I'm wearing, a Santa hat. And the way I would do that would first draw kind of a rectangle cylinder type shape. Then I'm going to go over like that, and then on this side I'm going to come in and then go over and add a Christmas puff there like that. Okay, I'm going to put 2 eyes in. I'm also going to give him a nice carrot nose. An awesome smile, some buttons. Oh my, we can't forget the scarf. So let's give him a nice scarf. Now remember, if you have an eraser, you can erase some of these lines. But I'm going to make this work by making a pattern of stripes. And I can now take my scarf and go like this. I like to make the end a little bit wider. And then I'm going to do the other part of the scarf here. I'm going to continue with my buttons. Okay. And one last thing, we need sticks or branches for our arm, and that stick or branch, when you draw it, can be in the form of a Y. So think of the letter Y. Okay. All right, now my snowman is done, and I'm going to show you how to do an awesome tree. So you can start out by drawing a triangle, and then I like to put guidelines on my triangle, and you're going to see why in a minute. If you want to do the easiest way, you can just make a triangle and leave it at that. That still makes a pretty cool looking tree, along with, I decided I'm going to make this tree a little bit longer, along with a trunk. Now watch what I do. I'm going to come down, I'm using this as my guide, zigzag, zigzag. Come down, zigzag, zigzag. Come down, zigzag, zigzag. And the trunk of my tree. All right. Now because this is a snow globe, we need snow all around, but the other thing we have to decide, do we want this just to be a tree that's outside catching the snow, being a live tree, or do we want it to be more of a Christmas tree where it has Christmas ornaments on it? So that is your choice. I do have one here that I drew that has Christmas ornaments. And of course I can always put a star up there, right? Okay. I also have one that I've colored that does not have Christmas ornaments, but it has a star. You know what? I'm going to leave this one natural. I'm not going to put any Christmas ornaments on it. But what I am going to do that's so important is to put that snow in. So I would like everyone to fill your snow globe up with as much snow as you can, because that's what makes it beautiful. Okay, and then when you're done filling all this with snow, you can color it however you like. And let's see, for my base, I think I'm going to do a zigzag pattern here. And then I'll probably color this in gold, green, and red. Okay. Thanks for watching. Enjoy coloring this. I'm sure you're going to have a great time with that. Don't forget to erase any lines that you don't want to be there. And one nice thing about pencil is you can clean it up, especially if you went over it. With any type of marker. But there it is, ready to color. Have fun and happy holidays.